This year's nominees for Best Animated Short come from countries across the globe, creating films that make us think and feel deeply. Here are the nominees. And the winner is...
Behind the scenes.
Elsa Pataki. Congrats, babe. Congrats.
Oh, thank you.
She couldn't be here tonight. She couldn't be here tonight, so I just want to take this opportunity to say she thanks me mostly for her performance and basically everything in her entire life. You're welcome, honey. Love you.
Love you.
What are you going to wear at the Met Gala? What are you wearing? Okay.
Look this way, you're moving too much. Mr. Baptiste, you're moving. You're moving. Chris, one more time, Chris. Hold that shot, Chris.
As long as you're next to me, just the two of us.
Hey, sexy lady, I like your bro. Your body, baby.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's home.
Hey, sexy lady, I like your bro.
Oh, it's on foot. The tank top and black jeans. Welcome to your power sleep meditation. Start by finding a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in and out. Relax. With each inhale and exhale, release all the troubles of the world, all the challenges of which you've had. Just let them go. Shh, sleep. Sleep. Well done, bro.
As the god of thunder, thank you for no thunder, but what about the rain?
Guys, I don't control that.
You're lightning, yeah.
This is
Okay.
someone else's department.
Okay, and who do we need to speak to about happening next
I'll
weekend?
figure it out. It's someone within
Someone.
the irrigation system. That's
You got a
around
phone
here.
number?
Yeah, I'll find one.
Okay, thank you, Chris. He's gonna call the rain guy for us.
Irrigation team.
He's thunder. Irrigation
Sprinkler.
team. Oh, thank you, Chris. You're amazing, dude.
Cool, thank you. Sick.
Just here with Harry Bink. Let's see if he's been listening to the trick I've been teaching him. No. Both your hands and your feet have to stay on the handlebars, on the seat, and the. It's just an idiot. He's an idiot. Showing off. Yeah, it's not even raining, bruh. Again.
Favorite smell is
What's your favourite smell?
too strong, baby.
That kid's insane. That is cool, yeah. Yeah.
Ready and action.
I think we leave this to the professionals. Stay tuned.